Meaning of exaggeration.
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 Exaggeration. Exaggeration refers to the act of magnifying or overstating something beyond its true proportions or limits. It is often used for dramatic effect, humor, or emphasis in literature, art, and everyday language. The result of exaggeration can range from creating an absurd or comical situation to distorting facts or causing misunderstandings. It can also be a rhetorical device used to persuade or manipulate an audience. In essence, exaggeration is a tool that allows us to push the boundaries of reality and explore the limits of our imagination.